welcome back to another video with Naturally Do. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I hope as a small business owner or soon to be small business owner, I really truly hope that this video and my channel in general helps you guys get to your goals in a business. And I hope everything I share with you guys, I really truly hope it actually just really helps you guys or just answers questions or anything like that. That's what this channel is for. It's to help other small businesses, other mothers, and just stuff like that. That is what this channel is for. So let's just hop right into this video of 5 things I feel like small businesses do not do. So number 1, I really don't feel like small businesses make a business plan. I feel, and this is from my experience, and just within these last 2 to 3 years, I've been seeing just a lot of different things when it comes to businesses. So that's why I say that a business plan is something that business owners don't do. A business plan is meant to help the business stay on track. There are so many different businesses, so many people out there that are trying to start a business and don't know what they want to do or what they want to sell or what services they want to offer. So they'll probably just go off of somebody else. They'll see somebody like a lip gloss business. They'll see somebody just make a grip of money off of lip gloss. So they'll try and do lip gloss, even though they're not that passionate about it. They'll still do lip gloss because, you know, they want to make money. But it's like, go ahead, do that lip gloss business. But first, make sure you make a business plan. A business plan is pretty much going to navigate you of where your business is going to go, how it's going to get there, and what it looks like in between. So it's like goals, what products you're going to sell or what services you're going to offer. A business plan is going to help you gauge your thoughts, your ideas. So for me, a skincare business. So on my business plan, I wrote what I want to sell, how I want to sell it, how much I want to sell, what containers I need, what labels, stuff like that. That's what I put into my business plan. Now, my business plan, I feel like might be a little bit more than others just because I want to make sure that all my thoughts and all my stuff is in a straight line. So I do have a lot of stuff on my business plan. But for someone who is just starting, I say write down what you wanna sell or what you wanna make. How are you going to do that? What are your goals for your business? And stuff like that. So a business plan is super, super important for a small business that is going to start. So number 2, I don't feel like businesses do enough research. Research is super, super... If you guys hear a noise, my baby is right here. So if you hear straining, that's him. So research is super, super important before you start your business, and your own research, not you going on YouTube and watching my video on DBAs and fictitious names. That's research to an extent, but it's not deep research, okay? What you need to do when I say research, I mean like really research. Like if you're looking to see what licenses or what permits your business needs, you need to do that research because you are the only person who knows what's going on in your business. So not two businesses are going to have the same licenses and stuff. Like you could have two two lip gloss businesses, but maybe one just does business at home and one does business at a like a street fair or like a vendor. Now, for both of those, you're going to need two different licenses. So when I say research, it's you do your own research, because not every situation is the same. So do your own research so you know all the information that you need. It's always good to always, like, okay, yes, you might get advice from one business person, but it's like, okay, take that advice and look it up. Make sure that that person is correct. Make sure that person is giving you the right information for you to succeed as a small business owner. So do your own research, because it's super important. People could give you false information. People could not give you the right information that you need as a business owner. So just always do your own research. Do your own, girl. Do your own. So number 3 that I feel that small businesses don't do, and that is literally writing down their inventory and what they need. So a lot of people, they will buy. So a lot of small businesses, I am in this right here too. A lot of small businesses will buy things that they think they'll need, but they'll never use. Okay, this goes with the research whole aspect. Okay, you're doing your research on this one product. One person does it this way, but you just might not do it that way in the long run. So you probably just got this whole list of ingredients that this person told you to get, but you're only using half. So you buy your ingredients and supplies based off of what you need for your business. Before you even buy anything, make sure, if you're a skincare business, make sure you have all of your oils listed. Make sure you have all of your butters listed. Make sure you have all your extracts, all of your this and that, all of those things that you need. Make sure you have them listed out, so when you go shopping, that's the only things that you get. So you're literally spending money on stuff that you are going to use and that you're going to get a return on. I don't know how much money I've spent, you guys, on stuff, and half of it I don't even use. Like, real talk. And this was when I first started my business. Now, I write everything down before I even go on Amazon, before I go to bulk apothecary. I can never say that word. But I always do my research. I always write down what I need for my business before I buy, because I do not want to spend any more money. And I feel like, just from listening to other YouTubers, listening to other small businesses who contact me, I do feel like people do buy more than what they need and buy things that they feel like they need but don't end up using it, because you as a business will end up losing money. So only buy what you need. Number 4. This one I think is so important, you guys. If you guys are making if you guys have a skincare business, skincare business, hair care business, anything that you have to make your own products, make sure you measure it. Yes, baby, tell them. So, for an example, when I am making my body butters, lotions, soaps, anything, when I am pouring my lotion into my container is on my scale. I am pouring the liquid in slowly. So as soon as my body butter or lotion hits 4, 8, 5, 6 ounces, whatever I'm trying to get to, I stop right there at what I am trying to make. So my lotions, they are 8 ounces. You ain't gonna get 7.9 ounces and you're not gonna get 8.1 ounces. You will get 8 ounces exactly in your bottle, because I'm not going to have my customers pay any less or any more than what they actually need to. So I know a lot of people, and I've seen this, you guys, I've seen this, and I know you guys have seen this too. People will be pouring their products into their container and they're not measuring it. So you cannot say, I am selling you this 5-ounce bottle of lotion when it's probably like 4.6 ounces. So you're cheating your customers out of 0.4 ounces of that lotion. So that to me is not okay. It's not okay at all. And I see this a lot, you guys. You need to measure your weigh your products out. Weigh them out when you are putting them into the containers and when you are shipping them off. Because if, this is a perfect example. Say one of my body butters is 4 ounces, okay? But I put 4.5 ounces of body butter. But on my website, it says 4 ounces. So when that customer buys it, the shipping's already going to be calculated and they're going to pay for that 4-ounce bottle of shea butter. But you as the business owner, when you're measuring your package and when you're paying for that shipping label, it most likely will end up becoming more than what that person paid for shipping. So say that person paid $3 for shipping, but yet you just paid $4.50 for that shipping label. You just lost out on $1.50 because you didn't weigh your product out. So it's so important to weigh your product out as you are pouring them into the container. So measure your products, you guys. I'm sorry, weigh your products. Super important. So number 5 is to figure out how much it costs for you to make one product. So for me, what I do is I'll list all of my oils and butters. I will put the price that I paid, and then I'll put how many ounces. So I will figure out how much 1 ounce is in, let's say a 16-ounce bottle of sweet almond oil. So say I paid $8 for that 16-ounce bottle and I use 1 ounce, but yet it's 16 ounces. So I'm going to divide 1 ounce or, whatever. I'm going to do that math and I'm pretty much going to just figure out, let's say 1 ounce of sweet almond oil is 15 cents out of that 16-ounce bottle. So when I go to make one of my products, if I use 1 ounce of sweet almond oil, I already know I'm going to have to add 15 cents because that's how much that jojoba oil costs. But if I'm using 2 ounces of jojoba oil, then I'm going to add 30 cents to that product I am making. So pretty much what I want you guys to do is calculate how much it costs you to make your product. So a lot of my stuff, let's see, this is an example. So my body oil, let's say it costs me $1.25 to make a 3-ounce facial serum. So an example, say it takes me $1.50 to make my body oil. I got that number because I calculated all of the oils and butters that are going into one of my products. So I know that I am going to be getting my money back, but some more, you know what I mean? So I am telling you, this is very important because as a business owner, you want to make sure that you are either breaking even. No, you don't even want to break even. You want more than what you paid, but you want to make sure that by the time you sell all of your products, that you at least make what you spent on all of your ingredients. So if you spent $500 on all of your ingredients, you're going to need to make sure that you make $500 just to make sure that you get that money back. But I also want you to know the cost of your product, because then you can, so for me, $1.50 to make an oil, but yet I could get a lot of profit off of that face oil. You know what I mean? So it's like, if it's $1.50, I could charge $10 for that facial serum. So that means I just made $8.50 from that one bottle of oil. So what you want to make sure as a small business owner is that you are making your money back, but you also have a bigger return. So calculating your products and how much it costs to make one of those products could honestly make or break your business. When it comes to finances, you always want to either break even with your business or you want to exceed that amount. You know what I mean? So again, calculate your products and how much it costs for you to bake it. So you could base your price of your product correctly, but then also you know that you're going to make a return back on your business pretty much. So that is the end of this video, you guys. I gave you guys 5 things that I feel like small businesses do need to do that they do not do. So number 1 was a business plan. Number 2 was research. Number 3 was make sure you only buy ingredients that you actually really need versus buying extra to save you money. And then number 4 was to measure your products, because that is super important. But then number 5 was to make sure that you calculate how much your product is and how much all of your ingredients are to calculate the best price for your product. So I hope this video helped you guys as a small business or as a person who is trying to start a business but don't know where to start or anything like that. So I hope this video helped you guys a lot. I hope this video gave you guys a lot of things to think about on what you need to do different on your business or what you don't want to do in your business. So again, I really do hope this helped you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and like this video with anybody. Like this video and share this video with anybody who you think could use this as a good starting plan for their business. So again, thank you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.